I was undecided for most of freshman year. I really had no clue what I wanted to do, what path I wanted to take. An advisor pointed me in the direction of recreation management.
I originally came to Eastern with the intentions of being in the environmental science program. I had a friend, she introduced me to the recreation management program. After that, realized that it was definitely the path for me. I've always loved being outside, hiking and camping, and had a passion for being outdoors.
Went to an advisor. I was like, hey, I have no clue what path I want to take. He kind of pointed me in the direction of recreation management. And he wrote me in, introduced me to a lot of the really exciting classes that we had going on. And before I knew it, I was, out on the river in a whitewater rafting class. And I have not regretted my decision at all. The professors are some of my favorite teachers ever. It feels very dynamic, free-flowing. I really feel like I'm learning. I really feel like it's applicable information that they're very excited to be teaching to me.
So we use applied learning and experiential learning techniques throughout all of our courses. Students, as a part of their class, are actually doing things that professionals are doing in the field. And these are the skills that most employers are really after. Those professional skills that are really difficult to teach in the classroom and that can really only be learned through experience.
EPIC is the recreation, outdoor adventure travel agency that we have going on here at campus. I get to lead my peers on exciting trips. EPIC's just incredible. I'm getting paid to do what I love for a living.
There is kind of the technical and hands-on skills, learning how to use gear, how to lead groups of people in outdoor settings. Working with EPIC actually allows me to apply these skills in a real setting. The recreation management program has given me hands-on experiences such as whitewater rafting techniques, group leadership techniques, as well as just overall leadership techniques that I've been able to put into my daily life.